Hey there folks, I'm David from Reolink, and today I've got some sizzling hot news for you. Reolink's dazzling superstar Argus 3 Ultra. Let's hear the full name of this genius. Smart 4K 8 megapixel standalone wire-free camera with 2.4 and 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi. That's a mouthful, but hey, who doesn't love a genius product? First thing first, I know you're all itching to know about the resolution. No more suspense. It's a jaw-dropping 4K Ultra HD. This is a completely standalone camera working on your 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and powered by a rechargeable battery. No hassles of running wires. Oh, and here is some good news for all you eco-warriors out there. This camera can be powered by green solar energy. Plus, no more sweating over your bills. We know they can be sky high these days. Thanks to the advanced sensor tech and cutting-edge algorithms, Argus 3 Ultra can detect a person, vehicle, or even your furry friend with pinpoint accuracy. No more disturbing false alerts that send you rushing to check on your garden. And this camera is championed both day and night. You may clock off work in the afternoon. Argus 3 Ultra is your 24/7 guardian, securing you all the time. Even in the darkest night, its powerful built-in spotlights ensure that every corner of your house is captured in vibrant color. When viewing clips, you may wonder, is it daytime? Magic, right? Want to experience this magic firsthand? Join us, and we will also share more information about this product on YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, and other social media. Follow us and let's dive deeper into this product.